do many things, such as waking up, eating, working, and resting. Learning the vocabulary for these activities is important because it helps us communicate about our daily lives. Today we will explore some common verbs and phrases used in daily activities. Let's get started. Wake up. This means to stop sleeping and get out of bed. My alarm wakes me up late at the weekend. Get up, to rise from bed. After you wake up, you get up. I get up and make coffee. To clean your teeth with a toothbrush. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Take a shower, to wash your body with water. I take a shower after I've eaten my breakfast. Have breakfast. The first meal of the day, usually in the morning. I have breakfast and more coffee at 8 a.m. Eat lunch. A meal you eat in the middle of the day. I normally eat lunch at 1 p.m. Have dinner. The last meal of the day, eaten in the evening. We have dinner at 7 p.m. most evenings. Drink water. To drink a liquid to stay hydrated. If I am thirsty, I drink water. Go to work. To travel to your place of employment. I go to work by bus. Work, tasks or duties performed as part of one's job or studies by a student. To do tasks for your job. Example, I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Study. To learn or review something. Example, I study English every evening. Attend meetings. To join group discussions for work or study. I have to attend meetings as part of my job. Watch TV. To look at a television and enjoy a show or movie. Example, I watch TV in the evening. Listen to music. To hear songs or sounds for enjoyment. Example, I like to listen to music while I work. Read a book. To look at written words and understand them. I read a book this morning on the bus. Leisure activity, exercise. Physical activity to keep your body healthy. I exercise at the gym twice a week. Activity, go to bed. To lie down and prepare to sleep. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Sleep. To rest your body and mind. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Now that you know the vocabulary for some daily activities, let's practice. Try answering these questions. 1. What time do you wake up? 2. What do you eat for breakfast? 3. How do you travel to work? 4. Do you watch TV or read a book in the evening? 5. What time do you usually go to bed? Great job! Now you know some essential English vocabulary for daily activities. Keep practicing by talking about your daily routine in English with a friend or teacher. Speak out loud to hear yourself saying the words. Homework. Write a short paragraph about your daily routine using the words you learned today. Try to include at least 5 activities. Use this vocabulary at every opportunity. The more you speak about your activities, the faster you'll improve your English.